Hey guys, Data Enemy here. I'm gonna do another tutorial, something really easy that some people know, some people don't know. Well, this is for those of you who wants to run a server. You ever seen those buy signs in other servers and want to do it? Well, I get to teach you. It's quite easy actually, really easy. Um, it's what it is. What it is. It's not as hard as trade signs, but it's easy. So I'm gonna show you. First, you gotta have essentials, which is what I use, and make sure that in the config file, which I'll show at the end of the video, of how to edit and make sure that works, because sometimes it will just come up like a plain regular text. So I'll show you how to use a buy and sell signs. So here goes. So pretty much it understands is buy one bread and you pay $2 for one bread, or one bread for $2, however you want to read it. So let's just make a sign right now. So what we're gonna do is then first I'm gonna type in bracket buy, then another bracket. Let's say you put the amount. So let's gonna put 10, and let's say we're gonna put let's say reeds, right? So which they're called sugar canes, but in this case it's called reeds. Just to let you know, some of the some of the you can't put all the words like reeds or like red wool, white wool, or just regular wool, but like sometimes you just have to put the color code. I mean, not the color code, the item ID, which, like I said, you can't do all. So if you can't do the word, you try different words of it. If it doesn't work, just put the ID number, and let's have people do slash search and then item number, and then they should figure it out. So let's just gonna say, anyways, like I said, we're gonna do bracket by bracket 10, and then read. Then a third line, we're gonna put the dollar amount. As for essentials, its default is set to a dollar amount. If you were put Z for Zenny or the yen or any currency that you have in your server, um, that you set to put that wherever the special character is, and let's say we're gonna put, let's say like $5, so 10 reads for $5, and there you go. Easy as that. Isn't it easy? Now here's the fun part. This is the most easiest one. Well, not easiest one. It's the exact same thing. We're gonna do a sell sign. The sell sign is gonna be bracket sell, then bracket. It's gonna be the exact same thing. The amount, as you can say, a stack, which is 64. And let's say read for. Oops, I'm sorry. Read for, you know, let's say $1. Wow, I'm cheap. Um, or you can do sell bread. Sell. Uh, oops. Sell. Say 64 bread for, let's say, $50. Wherever the amount you want it to be. Do you know that you done it right? It's when it's on blue. If it's red, that means you did something wrong. Most likely, part you spelled the word wrong of bread or the name wrong, or it'll tell you most likely. Let's try to mess up on something. Let's try, let's say buy. Then let's say one. Let's see if I spell bread wrong, like that, or something. And let's say for, oops, $1. So it's gonna say unknown item bread. So it's gonna tell you most likely, or it's gonna tell you what's wrong, and it'll be like, oh, okay, I can fix this. So this is a really simple, easy tutorial that I want to show you guys. Some people know how to do it, some people don't know how to do it. It's really easy. So until then, guys, I'll see you next time. Laters.